Hey everybody, this is Lawrence. Just going over a battery box that I've made from different designs on YouTube. I've put a couple together and kind of put a little my own little twist on it. And these are used for emergency situations. Okay, times when you don't have power or the electric goes out. If you need to be off the grid for a while, or if you need to travel with this thing, put it up in the truck and you can go out in the deep remote areas and bring electricity to you. Okay, this thing was designed to be recharged by solar panels. Okay, and that's how I've designed it to be recharged. Also, you can just use a regular battery charger, plug it into the wall to charge this up. There's several different components, but this outer shell here is basically a 3-in-1 Stanley toolbox. It's a rolling toolbox with two different compartments. This first one here lifts off this bottom one, okay? And in the bottom compartment it has your deep cycle marine battery, okay? And these deep cycle marine batteries are designed for daily discharges and recharge. It doesn't affect the battery at all, okay? And one of the first things you do see, I have added a 12-volt adapter, okay? You can use this for various different things. I personally have a little USB adapter where I could insert any type of USB device, okay? Or also I have a voltmeter, and this way it allows me to check the voltage on the battery without having to bring out a multimeter and using the terminals. I have added a lighted LED, as you can see here, and that just lets me know if this is on and running, okay? And if you want to take a look at the top portion, there's a little tray in here, okay, and this carries a little extension cord here and also those accessories that I showed you, and that can, you know, it's all based on personal preference here. And here what we have is called a charge controller, okay, and this is what the solar panel is hooked up to, and what it does, it regulates voltage into the battery, but it also cuts it off when the battery hits a certain level, so it prevents overcharging, okay? And these two leads actually go out to the solar panel, okay? Also in here we do have an inverter, okay? If you want to look in here, we do have an inverter. This particular one is a 1100 watt inverter, continuous, and what I wind up doing is hooking it up to a regular outlet, okay? And these are your outdoor outlets, used to kind of be a little water resistant, hooked up to, as you can see in here, a junction box, okay? Off of that junction box, I took an old extension cord, wired it to the junction box / the outlet, and this is what's going to run into the inverter itself, okay? The inverter itself is wired onto the battery there, okay? And so you can actually see here the on and off switch toggle, and you can actually hear that fan running a little bit for the inverter, okay? And we do have a device here just to show you that everything is working properly. We do have a little fan here, so let's go ahead and get this started. Let's see. And you can see with the little tassel here that this fan is indeed working properly. So again, this is used for emergency uses. It's not as portable as some because of the size, but you can if need be. It's a single battery. I know a lot of people have several batteries within their battery boxes just so they can have more energy, but I can run my TV during the night, VCR, Blu-ray, all at once, and a light off of the power I get from the sun. So that it can cut down on the energy, and it will. So anything significant, not necessarily, but at the same time, savings are savings, and eventually all this will pay for itself. Okay? If you have any questions or anything, just put something in the comment box, and thank you.